To clean your oven, first take out the oven racks and any other removable components, like baking trays or pizza stones. Then mix 1/2 cup, or 90 grams, of baking soda and 3 tablespoons, or 44 milliliters, of water in a bowl until it forms a thick spreadable paste. Use a clean paintbrush or sponge to coat the inside of the oven with the paste, paying special attention to particularly caked or grimy areas. Leave the paste on for at least 12 hours. In the meantime, clean the oven racks with hot soap and water, and wipe down the exterior of the oven door with a damp dishcloth. After 12 hours, scrape off the dried paste and spray the interior of the oven with a mixture of vinegar and water. Finally, wipe out the oven with a damp dishcloth and put back the oven racks. If you're in a hurry, you can try using a commercial oven cleaner, which may be able to help you clean the oven in less time.